Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to show you our new auto bidder feature. Actually, it's pretty straightforward. You enter the value of how much you want to make a bid of. You pick the duration of how long your offer is going to last, and obviously you select the collection you want to make offers to, and then the system is going to make offers to every single one of the NFTs in the collection. That's all. As you see, I'm not using my hands and it's actually running on the background. Now I'm going to stop the system and then we will go to my profile and see all the offers I make. One of the interesting points before I do that is actually people tend to take these offers a lot more often than you would think. There are some cases where I purchased NFTs for 0.4 and then I sold them for 1.3. It's actually, you know what, let me go over them. I will show them to you. Here I use a auto clicker. It doesn't have to do anything with our software, but you either have to sign in manually all the time or you can use an auto clicker like I do, and then the system is going to function by itself. Okay, let's go to my profile. Here you will see all the offers I have been making. You can just click on the offers made, and you see that we had been making offers to Metaverse collection.